Right guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, here we are at Newby Hall in North Yorkshire, just on the outskirts of Ripon. So yeah, let's have a look at some beautiful cars that are just about turning up. Look at this one, the Jag. Some Jags here. That's killer cool. That's killer cool.
I mean, fine. Most beautiful.
This one have the V12. Well, here we go. Gorgeous day. Beautiful Newby Hall, North Yorkshire. It's nice. I will stop at the ones that really catch my eye. GB V8. That's a nice colour. Nice moggy. That's mint. GTE. It's pretty cool. Everyone knows this is my favourite Range Rover. The only one worth having. It's my uncle's TR8. The size of that stairs.
So they're coming later, but we've got to see we're only 2 hours away, so we've got to see. I think they do.
It's cool.
Yeah. When I mean, well, you end up coming to the front.
That's nice. Style like that. It's Bosch. There's me steak. I really like the colour of that. It's nice. It's like you're being tangoed.
And then went to get it in the store, or went to get
Look at that minter there. Looks super red. That's nice. Stag Club.
you read it.
I really like that. That's pretty cool. No bumpers on it. That suits it. TR4. That's cool. Yeah, the TR6s are cool.
Yeah, we did. That's what we did. No, sound Real West Yorkshire. Oh, there's one.
Check this Mini out, guys. Right, these are the ones I'm coming over to. I quite like. This is up for sale as well. He wants 19 grand for it. Looks pretty cool. I think it's going to absolute lash down in a minute. Check this out, guys. A Lancia. Yeah, love the shape of this. Italians were good at designing cars. White colour as well. Check this out, guys. I think this is the Devil's car. Black Plymouth. That's killer cool. Looks evil. It's got a 440 in it. It's got a 440 in it as well. I like to see that. love musicians. There you go. Oh well, there's my car over on its by itself. But anyway, this is the end of the show, and everyone's gone home because it's pouring down. So yeah, you can catch me at Ripon Classic Car Show. That's going to be next week on the 27th of July. My God, it's the end of July. Wow, where's this year gone? But anyway, on that note, seeds above it all.